After learning the concept of having a sixth interval in the sixth hour, we're going to go to Boxcar Rumble and we get to explore intervals of 5 and 6, back and forth, back and forth. All right, so I'm going to start with my 6 here on B and G. Left hand, I'm going to alternate between the 5th, G and D, 6th, G and E. Take a listen. With Boxcar Rumble, I want to start with the left hand first. There's definitely more activity happening here. So once again, we're going to explore with intervals of a 5th and the intervals of a 6th. And I'm going to be bouncing back and forth on that. So on my lower G and D. So again, this is the reference to middle C where my sticker is. I'm going to start with the low G, stretch my thumb. See my thumb move? 5, 6, 5, 6. Keep going. Hold the 5th. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then now 3 on the A sharp. B, D. Down to the lower G. Let me play that last line again. So on bar number 10 on your music right there, here's the chord G and D. Now onto the right hand. So we're gonna start on a 6, thumb on B, 5 on G. Let's play that together. And play it again. Now, we're going to be playing a scale with a 6. Let's repeat the G. G, G. Keep your mold of your hand. And go down the scale. Okay, let's try that part again. So start from up here. We don't want to be moving our hands back and forth. We want to keep it like this. Keep the mold right here. G, G, F, E, D, C, B, A, G. Extend your thumb to the B flat. Move your thumb back to the B natural. And onto the last line, B, G, F. Hold that down and off.